All right, so we've had quite a bit of rain here the last few days. This chicken fencing in the pig area, let me go ahead and I'll swing the camera around. This area here, the fence, because of the way that Porkchop and Wilma are acting, they're actually walking this fence line together. Kind of trying, I guess, figure each other out, talk to each other or whatever. They're wearing down the fencing or the ground around it, and they're pushing up the soil around the fence, around the bottom. So at that point, what's happening is the fence is being grounded out, and because of that, the rest of the fence, electrical, isn't hitting very good. And it's still kind of sprinkling a little bit today. I'm gonna see if I can do this, show you. So, we're hitting at a 4 today. I don't know if you can see that. It should be showing that. And on this fence, we're hitting at a 4 today. But if you take this clip, which hooks the chicken fencing up that separates their area, if you take this off, what happens is it's hitting at an 8. So I'm getting half the charge on this fence. And these guys really, they don't much care at that point whether they get hit with a, you know, a low 4. But if they get hit with an 8, which I've got to put the camera inside the mule here today. If they get hit a little bit harder, they don't like that. And that keeps them from fighting each other. Which I guess, I've never dealt with pigs before, so this is a new thing for me. But I guess female pigs or male pigs fight each other for dominance. Porkchop, being the older of the two, is very aggressive with Wilma, and it was very concerning when we first brought Wilma out here because Porkchop would she'd attack her no matter what you did. So what I'm going to do today, hopefully, I've got 2 T-posts I want to put in the center area. I want to split this area, and then I'm going to run this electric fencing wire. I've got the T-post insulators that I need, and I'm gonna separate them with 3 strands like this of wire in the middle. And this is kind of what they do. They urinate and defecate along the fence line right next to each other, kind of being a dominance thing, I think it is. If you're watching this and you know more about pigs and you know what the deal is with this, leave a comment and let me know, because we're going on a few months of having Wilma here, and the entire dynamics has been changed. Porkchop has been more aggressive and more vocal about things since we introduced Wilma out here. So it's just been Very, very different, so to speak, I guess you could say. But anyhow, let me go ahead. I'm gonna leave the camera inside, covered up because it's raining a little bit, and we'll go ahead and get started here. All right, we'll see if this works. I've got to take this clamp off of this chicken fence and put it down there. See how this works. Okay, so this fence is now off. I'm going to try to pull it out. Go ahead. Looks like the rain has stopped for now. We'll see how this goes. I'll set y'all back out here.
shouldn't be falling over today, hopefully. I'll go ahead and pull this old fence out. See if Wilma will leave me be on this one. Okay, so we're done with pulling the old fence. We've actually put the new fence up. A little easier than I had anticipated. 3 strands of wire across the center. Let's see if we can show. So we're at an 8 now. Let's see. We're at a 6 going across, which is fine. I really don't want it at 8. 6 is okay. 6 is good enough for me. 8 should scare them away from the fencing altogether and keep them away from it completely. Like I said earlier, Wilma's the only one out here really paying attention to anything going on. Pork chop, well, she doesn't much care. She's in her house. She's had enough of the wind, the rain, and the cold. And it's like in the 40s today. Again. So I'll go pick up the old fencing. That'll be used in the chicken area. We're gonna move the new rooster and his 2 girls over there, give him some time inside that little fenced area to acclimate to the rest of the flock. Hopefully they will take to him this time, and they won't attack him constantly, because that's what was going on the last time we tried this. So anyhow, I'm gonna go in and have me some lunch. It's almost 1 o'clock. We'll do further update next time the camera gets turned on.